We call it the Infinity Flyer. This is for your Class 5, so we can actually take this train to go upside down and some really interesting, cool elements. So this train was put for this ride just because of the lift hill on the spiral lift, and we're dealing with the drive tires that pull it all the way up around the spiral. So this train will be able to make all the very tight radiuses. So very cool, very elegant, and I hope everybody will really enjoy it.
Do you have a favorite part of Zambezi Zinger that you're looking forward to? Or you just love the whole thing from beginning to end?
You know what, this ride is really, I think it's gonna be cool just going through the forest that's there. You're not gonna know where you're at, I guarantee you. I mean, going around trees and flying through that tunnel is gonna be really cool also.
And you can experience it for the first time in 2023 at Worlds of Fun in Kansas City. We invite you to come up close, take a look at the train, ask some questions about it, and come ride Zambezi Zinger, the new and improved during the 50th anniversary in 2023 at Worlds of Fun. Thank you.